Okay, so today's class ಅಲ್ಲಿ new topic start ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. It is called seating arrangement. Okay, so ಅದು question. I'll take up an example and I'll explain. So it is called seating arrangement. Okay, this is the topic name. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ question very simple, one simple word problem ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ some 5 people, suppose A, B, C, D, E, 5 people. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ it will be given like they're sitting in a row or they're sitting in a circle and some conditions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು something like A is sitting to the left of B or A is sitting opposite to D. ಆ ಥರ some questions ಇರುತ್ತೆ and finally ಇದೆಲ್ಲ this is like a small passage and finally based on that MCQ questions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Question can be like who is the first leftmost person sitting, or who is the person sitting in the second position from left, or who is sitting to the right of A, to the left of B. ಆ ಥರ questions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so I'll take up and I'll explain. Even here you can understand. Please mute your mic, everyone. Okay, so I'll start with a question. First question, there are 6 people. Okay, in general ಈ ತರ questions ಅಲ್ಲಿ names use ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, just alphabets will be used. Okay, so that ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ it will be easy to write the order and everything. That's why names use ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, letters will be given. So here there are 6 people, A, P, R, X, S and Z. Okay, so here there are 6 people sitting in a row. Okay, so 6 people are sitting in a row. Next, 1 minute. Yes. Okay, so 6 people are sitting in a row. In a row, andre what is the meaning? They're all sitting in one straight line. Okay, one straight line alli they're all 6 people are sitting. ಈ ತರ seating arrangement questions alli either row or I mean in a straight line all the people will be seated, or in the circle. Okay, there are 2 possibilities. Sitting in a row andre it means they are all sitting in one straight line. Okay, idu artha aita? Sitting in a row means they are sitting in a straight line. Okay, now it is given S and Z are in the center. S and Z are in the center. Okay, so this is one condition. Next is A and P are at the end. Okay, A and P are at the end. This is the second condition. Third is R is sitting to the left of A. Andre R is sitting towards left side of A. R is sitting. Okay, R is sitting to the left of A. So this is the passage. Okay, passage ends here. Illi the question is who is sitting to the right of P? Who is sitting to the right of okay given question. We will do the solution now. So idu question artha aita everyone? I'll just repeat again. Question explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ once again and then we will start the solution. Okay, there are 6 people. There are 6 people, A, P, R, X, S and Z. Okay, 6 people sitting in a row. In a row andre all the 6 people are sitting in one line, or just consider one bench alli all 6 people are sitting. Okay, in a row in one bench there are 6 people sitting. So bench andre enu straight line alli everyone will be seated. Am I correct? Idu artha aita? Did everyone understand the first line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so 6 people, all of them sitting in one straight line on a bench. Okay, now the first condition is S and Z andre these two people S and Z centrally they are sitting. Okay, in that line centrally S and Z are sitting. Okay, next condition is A and P are at the end andre line alli end andre enu, this is one end here and this is one more end. So two ends alli once one end A is sitting, other end P is sitting. Okay, this is the second line. Third line is what? R is sitting to the left of A. Suppose A is sitting here, idu one line ide, A is sitting here. This position will become left side of A, this position will become right side of A. Idu artha aita? Did you all understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
So R is sitting in this position, left of A. Left of A andre this position. So it means R is sitting here. Okay, so illivargu this is the given information. Ivaga question ಏನು, who is sitting to the right side of P andre suppose one line alli P is sitting somewhere here, right side andre idu, this is right side of P, illi who is sitting, that is the question. Artha aita? Did everyone understand the question first? Clear agi question artha aita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will start solving it. Okay, so first step ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, there are 6 people, draw 6 blocks andre 1 2 3 4 5 6 places. So just draw 6 dash. Okay, now next S and Z are in the center. So illi nodi there are 6 positions 1 2 3 4 5 6. So ಈ 6 positions alli center position andre for 2 people, which 2 numbers should I take?
3 and 4.
3 and 4 exactly. So these idu center position agutte alva. So it is given S and Z are in the center andre S and Z are in the center. Okay, idu artha aita? First line
Yes.
completed. This line is completed. Okay, next line A and P are at the end. Okay, A and P are at the end. One more thing observe ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತ there is no rule. Okay, here ಇಲ್ಲಿ S is sitting in the third position, Z is sitting in the fourth position. Also one more thing ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, Z can sit here, S can sit here. This is also a possibility, correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್
Yes,
ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, just given S and Z are sitting in the center ಅಷ್ಟೇ. That is all we know. We don't know who is sitting in which place. Okay, so let us write both the possibilities. ಈ ತರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ write both the possibilities up and down. Okay, so first we'll write S and Z. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, we will also write Z and S. Okay, so first line is done. Next it is given A and P are at the end. ಇಲ್ಲಿ end ಅಂದ್ರೆ which 2 positions? ಎಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 to 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ 2 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್?
1 and 6.
Correct, 1 and 6. So A and P are only sitting in 1 and 6. Okay, so A and P idu one combination, P and A is also one combination alva, because here again order is not given. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, it is just given A and P are at the end. One position ಅಲ್ಲಿ A is sitting or P is sitting, adu ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, order is not given in the question. So both the possibilities write it. Okay, up and down. Second line is also done. Third line, R is sitting to the left of A. So if A is sitting here, left andre idu barutte. Am I correct? This position is right, this position is left. Okay, ಇವಾಗ ಚೆಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇದು ಒನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಪಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್? ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್? Here, is there any place?
No, ma'am.
No. So, first possibility is wrong. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ why it is wrong? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ it is given. What is it given? R is sitting to the left of A. ಅಂದ್ರೆ order it should be like this only. After R, A ಬರಬೇಕು. A should be there. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ you cannot write R before A because ಇಲ್ಲಿ place ಇಲ್ಲ. There is no place only for R to sit there. So that is why this first order is wrong. Second order is correct. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ place ಅಲ್ಲಿ left of A ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is the left of A. So illi R will be seated. Artha aita, did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 5 letters position gotaitu. Which is the pending letter which is left out? Which letter is left out now? Check ಮಾಡಿ. There are 6 letters ಇದೆ. 6 people. ನಮಗೆ 5 people positions ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. We know the positions for 5 people. P is in the first position. Second position ಅಲ್ಲಿ place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿದ್ದೀರೋ we don't know. Third position is Z. Fourth position is S. Fifth position is R. Sixth position is A. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ second place ಅಲ್ಲಿ who will be there now?
X.
Correct. So now this is the final position. ಅಂದ್ರೆ final order ಇದು. So ಇದು SZ or ZS, it doesn't matter. ಅಂದ್ರೆ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ it is not given. Order ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ anything is fine. You write ZS or SZ, it is fine. But only rule ಏನು follow ಆಗಬೇಕು, S and Z center ಅಲ್ಲಿ they should be there together. Okay? Order question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ whatever order you give, it's fine. Now what is this? What is the question? Who is sitting to the right of P? ಅಂದ್ರೆ to the right side of P, who is sitting?
X.
Correct. X. Right side of P. Andre this is the right side of P. Left side of P andre this side. This is left. This is right. Okay. Left side of P yaru illa. There because P is in the first place. First position alli they are sitting. Andre one bench alli end position alli P is sitting. So left side of P there is no one. Right side of P, X is sitting. Okay, so X is the answer. ಈ question ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Did everyone understand it? Everyone, did you ಏನಾದರೂ doubt ಇದೆಯಾ? If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then we'll do the next question. Okay, so here also there are 5 people. Okay, A, B, C, D, D, E are sitting on a bench. So on a bench andre, is it a straight line or a circle?
Straight line.
Correct, straight line. So one clarity we got. What is it? There are 5 people. All 5 people are sitting on a straight line. Next it is given A is sitting next to B. A is sitting next to B. Okay. Next C is sitting next to D. Next to D. Okay. C is sitting next to D. D is not sitting next to E, but it is given ಇಲ್ಲಿ E is sitting on the left end of the bench. ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. E is sitting on the left end of the bench. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಟ್ರೈ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. For those who don't, and I will explain the question now. Okay. So it is given D is not sitting next to E. E is sitting on the left end of the bench. C is on the second position from right. C is at second position from right. Okay. Next, A is to the right of B and E. Next, A and C are sitting together. Okay, so illi passage ends. Finally, the question is, in which position A is sitting? In which position A is sitting? Okay, so this is the question. So first we'll start here. Tell me how many people are there here?
5 people.
Yes. So I should draw first step ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 5 blocks I should draw 5 positions 1 2 3 4 5 okay next first line ಏನು ನೋಡಿ A is sitting next to B ಅಂದ್ರೆ AB or BA also is possible correct both pattern ಅಲ್ಲಿ A is sitting next to B correct first A afterwards B or first B afterwards A both cases alli they are sitting next to each other correct so either both are possible okay now we'll see the next sentence C is sitting next to D again same thing CD and DC both are possible am I correct sitting next and there it can be anything okay position left side or right side anything is fine sitting next to each other andre both the possibilities are fine okay next it is given D is not sitting next to E andre if this is D left side of D right side of D E should not be there okay andre left side of D and right side of D letter E should not be there any other letter A B C alli anyone can be sitting here but E should not be there okay next sentence E is sitting on the left end of the bench end andre what did I say this is wait 1 minute first we'll write down the position numbers 1 2 3 4 5 so this is one bench okay 5 seater bench 5 positions ಇಲ್ಲಿ end andre which two positions are ends here ends of a bench
1 and 5
1 and 5 correct so ivaga ee bench alli left end and right end okay so what is the left end here two ends ide 1 and 5 what is the left side end
1
1 right
5
5 artha aita now did you understand what is left end of bench and right end of bench
yes ma'am
okay now
yes,
E nodi it is given E is sitting on the left end of bench so E which in which position number for E what is it E is sitting on the left end of bench illi left end of bench andre which position 1 so E is sitting in which position number can you tell me the position number for E
1
correct so E is sitting here okay so finally one alphabet one letter ke namge position gottaitu that is E it is sitting on the left end of bench andre position number 1 okay so now that is done next nodi next line C is at the second position from right second position from right andre right side inda count the second position from left andre 1 2 this is the second position from left okay counting from left andre enu this is position 1 position 2 position 3 4 and 5 okay now C is sitting at second position from right andre ಈ side ಇಂದ counting start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is first
4.
position. This is second position. So second position from right andre it is 4. So C is in which position?
4.
4. Correct. So C also done. Letter E aitu, letter C aitu. Now it is given A is sitting to the right side of B and E. Andre wherever B and E is, E position alli, A should be towards their right. Okay, for B and E, only right side alli A irbeku, not towards the left. Okay. So now tell me, E statement inda tell me which of these two is correct. A be correct or B A is correct? Statement ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, A should be to the right side of B and E. Fine, keep E aside, check for B. A is towards the right of B. Okay, now tell me which is correct in AB or BA?
BA.
BA, correct. BA is correct. Why? Because nodi ಇಲ್ಲಿ B right side of B ಅಲ್ಲಿ A ಇದೆ, correct? Right side. This is the right side of B. A is sitting there. So BA is the correct position. Okay, now first illi nodi, first line nodi ivaga it is given A and B is sitting next to each other. Andre A B are together. Okay, so BA should be placed together. So now tell me BA will come in which position? Which two positions? Together irbeku. Okay, B and A we should not separate. Side by side irbeku. First
2,
position
3.
E aitu, yes, correct. First position alli E completed, fourth position alli C completed. What are the remaining positions? 2, 3, 5. Now I'm telling B and A should be sitting together. Okay, separate agvardu, it should be there together. So which two positions are possible? 2 and 3. So same order alli you should write B and A. Artha aita, did you all understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now it is given next line nodi A and C are sitting together. So A and C are sitting together, which is correct. Now E aitu, C aitu, A and B is also done. Which letter is left now?
D.
D. So D will come
D.
in position.
5. 5.
Okay, so now illi question enu, in which position A is sitting? Which position?
3.
Okay, A is sitting in position number 3. But illi options are a little different. Okay, I will read out one by one. I will read out the option. You tell me if it is correct or not. So first option is A is sitting between B and D. Is it correct? Option A, between B and D. Option A is telling A is sitting between B and D. This is B, this is D. Is it correct
Wrong,
option?
ma'am.
Wrong option. Correct. So next, second option is A is sitting between E and D. Is it
No,
correct?
ma'am.
Wrong. Third option, A is sitting between B and C. Is it correct?
Right, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So third option is correct. So option E tara also it will be given. Okay, between
Yes, ma'am.
two people, and you should find out the answer. So yes, between B and C. B is here, C is here. A is between B and C. So this is also correct. So idu artha aita? Did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now there is no time to start new question. I will continue the same topic tomorrow. Tomorrow we will do seating arrangement in circle. Okay. Today now ivattu we did two questions. Both are in straight line. Alva both questions alli first question alli 6 people are sitting in one line. Second question alli 5 people are sitting in one line. Andre it is a straight line. It is easy. Tomorrow I will solve a question on circle arrangement. Andre one circle alli people will be sitting 5 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, order will be given and same ಈ ತರಾನೇ question ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I will teach that tomorrow. Okay, so that's it for today. Any doubts, anyone?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, then let's meet in the next class.